I was trying to write the word eulogy the other day, and my phone just kept going like, we haven't found any substitutes. Spell check was a picture of a guy with his pockets pulled out going, I don't know. No one in my family knew what I was doing. They didn't have basic cable. Bad sign financially when you can't afford something that starts with the word basic. My wife was doing yoga in the house. My son decided to join in and then announced yoga was too dangerous for him. I understand he's gonna be gay. Like, I get it. I just hope he's a top. You know, a dad can dream, right? Can a dad dream?